If you're just starting your journey on YouTube or you're seeking out fresh ideas to boost your existing content, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the lucrative world of cash cow YouTube channels, a brilliant strategy to earn money while keeping your identity hidden. Yes, you heard it right. You can absolutely make a splash on YouTube without ever revealing your face. I've rounded up a roster of top cash cow YouTube channel ideas that are perfect for beginners. But that's not all. Stay with me until the end because I'm also going to unveil a secret list of high CPM niches. These are the niches that on average offer you more money per 1,000 views. A lot of people understand the potential of YouTube, yet a surprising number of them don't know that you can pull in a good income without ever revealing your face to the world. Here's how it works. You pick a niche, or in simple terms, a category of content. Then you create videos, add your unique touch to them, and voila, you upload them to YouTube. Seriously, it's that easy. Now you might wonder, how can I earn money from this? Well, you have the option to monetize your videos by displaying ads, and YouTube will compensate you for every view your videos receive. The first and often the trickiest step in this journey, especially for beginners, is deciding on the right niche. Fear not, for I'm about to share 12 cash cow YouTube channel ideas that'll put you right on track. So without further ado, let's dive right into these niches. Niche number 1. Let's explore the niche of ancient wisdom. Think of all those brilliant authors who penned timeless wisdom over centuries. You can create a channel summarizing these works by using ChatGPT and make a substantial income from it. A perfect example is a YouTube channel named Philosophies for Life. They have over 1 million subscribers, which earned them a gold play button. And guess what? They only uploaded 101 videos to reach that milestone. Their monthly viewership? This channel is getting 1.8 million views per month. You might be curious about how I got these stats. Well, that's thanks to an extension called VidIQ. And don't worry, I'll leave a link below for you to sign up. One glance at their content and you'll see that it's purely whiteboard videos. You might be wondering, that sounds awesome, but how on earth do I create whiteboard videos? Well, it's easier than you think. You can use the following software to craft similar whiteboard videos. Doodly is a whiteboard animation software that allows users to create professional doodle videos without any previous technical or design skills. VideoScribe is an easy-to-use, drag-and-drop animated video maker for beginners to professionals. All you need is a voiceover, which you can record on your phone, or even better, use text-to-speech software for an effortless experience. The sophistication of today's text-to-speech software offers incredibly human-like voices, such as Murph AI and PlayHT. Let's hear what it sounds like.
Go fast. Go far. Go forward. Go to the woods, the mountains.
There will be no foolish wand-waving or silly incantations in this class. As such, I don't expect many of you to appreciate the subtle science and exact art that is potion making.
That's incredible, isn't it? Alright, back to the Philosophies for Life channel. This channel's estimated monthly earnings on Social Blade are between $464 and $7,400. But remember, these estimates are just rough approximations and should not be considered accurate or definitive. The actual earnings of content creators on YouTube can vary significantly depending on several factors, including the type of niche and content. Now let me share something fascinating with you. If you're interested in knowing how much channels like this could be earning, here's a quick hack. Let's take their 1.8 million monthly views and divide it by 1,000. This gives you an idea of the thousands of views they're getting monthly. If you're still wondering about the cash they're pocketing, simply multiply this figure by a realistic CPM, which represents the money a channel makes per 1,000 views. Channels could earn anywhere from $1 to $30 per 1,000 views. For a channel like this, from my experience, I'd estimate a CPM of around $5. So based on my calculation, this channel might be making around $9,250 monthly from ad revenue alone. Plus, they could be earning even more through selling products or affiliate marketing. Let's dive into the second niche, self-improvement. We all want to improve ourselves, right? The self-improvement market is colossal, and channels like Remedies have nailed it. With over 2 million subscribers, they're bagging 1.7 million views per month. Their content? Videos like 10 reasons why people are staring at you, or 9 interesting facts about intelligence. If you peek into one of their videos, you'll see it's just stock footage with a voiceover explaining various concepts. You might be wondering, where can I find such backgrounds for my videos? There are plenty of free stock footage websites out there, just like the ones I'm showing right now. Grab the videos, pen an original script, do a voiceover, and voila! You've made a video just like this one, and you don't need to pay for pricey editing software. Use these free editors I'm showing you now. What's next? Attractive thumbnails, of course. They're like the book cover of your video, luring viewers in. To create catchy thumbnails, try using the programs I'm sharing right now. Third niche is charisma. Who doesn't want to excel at communication or be a star in social situations? That's where channels like Charisma On Command come in. Boasting over 6 million subscribers, they offer videos like How to Attract More Women with Ease or 5 Habits That Make People Dislike You. And people can't get enough of this stuff. They're getting 8.6 million views per month. On Social Blade, the estimated monthly earnings are around $2,100 to $33,500. But if we crunch the numbers, they could be earning as much as $43,000 per month just from ad revenue. Niche number 4 is investing, a hot topic for many. Channels like Chris Invest delivers investing content, never revealing their face. How? With simple whiteboard videos, similar to what we discussed earlier. And those free software options I showed you earlier, they're perfect for creating such videos. On to the 5th niche, business stories. With many different big-name companies out there, many people are eager to dig into their stories. That's where channels like Business Stories come in. They share tales of companies' rise and fall, success stories of entrepreneurs, and valuable lessons from these narratives. With nearly 145,000 subscribers and over 10 million views, it's swiftly growing into a prime source of business inspiration. Niche number 6 is luxury. Who doesn't daydream about owning a supercar or a luxurious house someday? I know I do. Channels like King Luxury are all about showcasing the world's most luxurious items, from cars to homes, watches to clothes, and other luxury items. They've managed to gather a whopping 4 million views per month just by talking about luxury. Fascinating, isn't it? Rolling on to the 7th niche, weight loss. Channels like Bestie have got this one down pat, and their videos, simply stock footage, much like the Brainy Dose channel we checked out earlier. You can get free stock footage from the sites I'm showing here and start creating your own content. This channel is a hit with 4.5 million subscribers and millions of views. Moving on to the 8th niche, health remedies. Natural Cures, for instance, covers a wide range of health topics. With 3.4 million subscribers, they get a ton of views. Social Blade estimates their monthly earnings to be around $361 to $5,800. Sounds like an appealing niche if you're into health and wellness. The 9th niche is all about dating, videos on how to get a girlfriend or boyfriend. Look at this channel, Top Think. They've got plenty of content on this subject, racking up 1.6 million views per month. And just like the rest, they remain faceless. Next up, the 10th niche, tech gadgets. Check out this channel, Top 10 Zone. They review all kinds of tech gadgets, from camping gear to office equipment. And the true brilliance of a channel like this lies in the ability to effectively promote what is known as affiliate products. They use the Amazon affiliate program to promote the products in their videos. Add those affiliate links in the description, and when viewers click and buy, you earn a commission. The 11th niche is geography. Take a look at real-life lore. They do videos about different countries and their unique stories, like why Texas is becoming America's most OP state. Even though they never appear on camera, they gather an impressive 20 million views per month. That's more than many popular influencers who do show their faces. And finally, the 12th niche is all things spooky. Dark 5, for example, counts down creepy and mysterious topics, like 5 creepy places abandoned to the sea, attracting over 2.6 million subscribers and 2.3 million views per month. Now, I want to pack as much value into this guide as possible, so I'm going to reveal a list of high CPM niches. These are the cash cow YouTube channel ideas beginners can use to make more money per 1,000 views. So if you want your earnings to shoot up, consider these high CPM niches. Number 1, makeup. Number 2, travel. Number 3, technology. Number 4, investing. Number 5, finance. Number 6, health. Number 7, marketing. Number 8, make money online. Number 9, card. Number 10, legal. Number 11, insurance. Number 12, real estate. These are niches known for delivering higher than average CPM rates. So you're probably thinking, I'm keen on picking a niche. I've got a few thoughts buzzing in my head, but I could use some advice. Well, the list I shared consists of my top picks from the vast world of YouTube niches. I have a preference for these niches due to their high demand and evergreen nature, indicating that people will likely maintain interest in them even a decade from now. Moreover, they offer additional monetization opportunities like affiliate marketing, and they come with a higher than average CPM. So if you ask me, they've got all the ingredients for a cash cow YouTube channel. There you have it. A treasure chest of cash cow YouTube channel ideas for beginners and high CPM niches just waiting to be explored. Don't forget to smash that like button if you found this video useful. And if you haven't already, do subscribe to our channel for more insights. Got any questions or thoughts you want to share? Drop them in the comments section. I love hearing from you.